ดีครับผมมาจากธนาคาร ICBC นะคะ so I will speak English because I only know a little Thai. So I think ICBC actually has been in Thailand for 14 years. I mean, compared with our peers, surely this is just a very short history. But our headquarters actually is a whole ICBC group. We just passed like the 40 years anniversary, like the event. So firstly, I will introduce about our ICBC, the whole groups, like the policy in green finance. So actually, our bank also pay great attention to development of the green finance and like support of the environmental protections related policies. So actually, next page I will show like our banks actually to now like already like almost made 50 policies which cover like 16 like major sectors or we say industries. And these policies are all like related with the green orientations. And actually related with that policies that we actually have some very specific factors. For example, if you can follow this certain like the policies, actually we will give the branch or the subsidiaries actually the special like economic capital occupation calculation, authorization, pricing, and the scale in order to make each branch and subsidiary like to follow the policy, also to like do those related kind of business. And we will also like select some key industries and some client and project, which is focused on like the green, low carbon, and also like the circular economy sectors. Okay, at the same time, surely we also like, besides like the industry tailored policies, we also have like some general ones, which actually can pave some basic ways and foundations for the whole banks, like the green policies. So actually here, I just want to show one numbers. Actually, things like our PBOC, which actually is the same as like the Bank of Thailand here. Actually, after like our like the central banks like launch these carbon reduction support tools, actually ICBC, the whole group, has already provided a total loan up to like Chinese yuan 104 billion in the carbon reduction loans. Which is to like offer to 846 projects. So this amount almost equivalent to 500 billion Thai baht. And the interest rate you can see also very attractive. Like the average interest rate is just like 3.49%. And also we finally leading to an annual carbon reduction of 24 million tons of carbon dioxide equivalent. Okay, then after like introducing the whole ICBC groups, like what we achieved and what we made towards like the green finance, now I just want to come to ICBC Thais. Actually, ICBC Thai have always like cooperated with the local regulators and try to issue the policies related to development of green finance and support the environmental like friendly finance and investment. So here I want to show some the bank's milestone, what we already achieved. For example, from 2019, actually we signed the MOU related with the sustainable banking guidelines and also the responsible lending. In 2021, actually we concerned with the environmental and social and governance risk in the ICAAP, this process. In 2022, actually we joined the press release for the Thai Bankers Association's ESG declarations. And then just last year, actually we incorporate like this kind of policies into our like the whole ICBC Thai's the ERMs, like the systems. So this is like what ICBC Thai's approach. Actually, our green finance will cover all the things like from the lending, the credit-related or like transactions, investment, obligations, also like some commitment of the corporate customers, and also like the FI customers, including some individual customers for the financings. So basically, we were like classify our customers' green like finance into like 4 levels, from the friendly level until the rectification level, depends on different situations. Besides that, we also were like classify our like facility into like different levels according to the ESG risk. So actually, our whole like the decision making in the green finance and investment, actually like it's already incorporated into the whole process of the bank, like the finance decision, from the pre-loan investigation, then the credit approval, until the post-lending monitoring and like our annual review as well. So here I want to show some numbers of what ICBC Thai already achieved. Actually, by end of last year's, our like the total like the loan related with renewable energy. And actually, I'm not sure whether we can really call it like a green loan or not. But actually, it's all related with renewable energy. For example, like the wind, solar, and hydropowers. So the total like outstanding by end of last year is 12 billion Thai baht. Then the next one actually is also very popular in Thailand because ICB Thai don't have like the license to underwrite the bond. So surely we cannot like behave the same as the previous 4 banks to show some like our underwriting policies. But here actually we join many like debenture investment. So by end of last year, actually our total green rated bond investment total amount actually is 8 billion Thai baht. So if we combine the 2 numbers, which the first one, actually the previous one is a loan, and this one is the debenture. So our total outstanding now is almost like the 20 billion Thai baht, so which account for almost like 10% of our bank's like the asset. The final page, I want to just show like what we do recently. Actually, the rooftop like solar financing, I think also very popular in some other banks. So by end of last year, actually what we provide to the companies actually is up to 40 million Thai baht. But if we take into some individuals like the financing into considerations, actually the amount is more than 100 million Thai baht. I think this product is also very special because it's not offered directly by our commercial bank levels. Actually, it's offered by our subsidiary, which called ICBC Thai Leasing. They offer like the program very similar to like the hire purchase for the car, right? But this one is provided to the individuals, which can allow you like to repay to have the installment repayment plan. Can like actually can decrease your financing burden, while can also let the customers actually enjoy like the green finance like the benefit. Okay, so that's all. Thank you.